Good morning.
Morning, morning.
Full on energy, huh?
Keep saying
Do you
and
have
crying.
kajal in your eyes?
I think it's from yesterday's from Ganpati.
Leftover. I love
Yeah.
leftover
Yeah,
kajal.
me too. Oh, that smudge is so good, right?
Yeah. But sorry I couldn't get us like proper coffee from the coffee shop
I was
because
actually expecting that. Sorry, I was gonna say it. Ayati, where's my coffee? When you said coffee, I didn't mean bana ke la bhai. Khareed, paisa khatam kar. We're not cheap anymore. We are working people. We're not students.
we're
It's fine.
just saying.
We're just saying
Oh,
that
it's okay to
these
be
things
cheap.
happen.
It
It
is
is okay.
okay. It is okay to be cheap, na?
It is 100%
I
okay.
mean, it's good
And
coffee. It's not like,
especially when you're a student,
yeah,
it's okay. Or even though you're a working professional, it's still fine. You can
yeah.
save money and then go on a vacation.
That's
Instead
true,
of
right? So, as a student, what are the things that you think you should do to save money? How can you be cheap as a student?
cut your own hair.
Oh,
That is a good one. So
I
I have
didn't
a
expect
story.
that at all.
Quick little story. So my
Okay.
friend, guy friend, okay?
Okay.
So if guys go and they cut their hair, it's 19 quid, 18 quid. It was
Yeah.
very expensive. And when you're a student,
Yeah.
it's really hard for you to spend that much money. Instead, you save and do something like more important things. So he'd be like, Pallavi, let's ek baar mera baal cut kar de. Let's
Ah.
try. Let's see how it works out. If it
Yeah.
does, I'll give you food. तेरे को घर पे
Oh,
खाना बना के दे दूंगा.
okay.
For us, it was a big thing
Yeah.
because you're coming from uni and then you don't have to cook. Somebody
Yeah,
has made
yeah.
food for you. मतलब 3 दिन
Golden
चलाऊंगी.
deal. Yeah.
Golden days, huh? I was like, okay. I cut his hair.
You
okay?
cut his
Yeah,
hair.
I cut his hair. He saved that money and he liked it also. Because back home, I used to like teeny tiny. I used to cut my brother's hair.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I was like, it's fine. We'll go for it. We'll give it a shot. So, I cut his hair. We saved that 20 quid.
Do you have a photo of that?
Actually, I do.
If you do, you
Yeah, I'll put it. I'll put it.
because I'm so like genuinely curious to see that.
Yeah.
But yeah, definitely you could have started like a home business.
And also,
just doing
yeah.
everyone's threading and haircut and everything.
And I also used to do my own eyebrows and also my friend's eyebrows so we can save money.
That is very resourceful. I respect you for that. That's I didn't even think about that.
What have you done?
I mean, I've not done any at home beauty services, I would say, but I think it was generally with food most of the times because eating out is like so expensive. And although you get like meal deals over here where you pay like £5 for a sandwich and like a drink and a snack, I think £5 as a student or £3.5 as a student is also still expensive.
Yeah, I agree.
Like you can't afford to spend that every day when you're going out. So we used to do this app called Too Good To Go. I don't know if you've ever
Too good
used.
to go now.
Yeah.
I know.
So for those who don't know, Too Good To Go is this app where like at the end of the day, if the stores have like excess food, they sell it off for like dirt cheap. Like literally in £2.5 you will get like this whole big bag of goodies, and it's like the most delicious treats as well. You don't know what you're going to get, and like I pretty much knew like when was the right time to go
To
to
buy,
to go and to get Too Good To Go. And like every store had like little deals, like other than Too Good To Go also. If you go to say Wasabi or Sushi Bento and all of those places, like at the last hour before they're closing, everything is always 50% off.
Wow, crazy guys.
So yeah,
Tip for you guys.
tip for all the students who are coming here.
Yeah, cut your own hair. Go to good to go. To food to food
It's
to
okay, Too Good To Go.
too good. It is too good
Yeah.
to be true.
But
Yeah.
speaking of that, I also love getting all the reduced stuff from supermarkets over here in the UK.
Yeah.
That's
You
so
should
cool.
go in the mornings to like
Yeah.
get proper like freshly
Yeah.
reduced stuff.
Yeah, like sometimes you get things worth £5 for like say £1 also, which is crazy.
What else? I think I've walked so much
Oh
to
yeah.
save the Uber money.
Don't even get me started.
But like I have leg problem, right? So I have ligament tear. So I can't walk so
Too
much
much
either.
also. Yeah.
So like somehow I mean to a maximum distance only. Like I'll be like,
Yeah.
हाँ ठीक है चलो
Yeah.
यार इतना पैसा तो बच जाएगा, so we'll do it.
Maybe did you buy the ticket or are you being cheap today? Trying to sneak in? No.
Because the other day I didn't buy the tickets, guys. And then
And-
the train wale bhaiya told me, if you don't buy it, gonna put you a penalty of £100.
That was such a good.
It was good, right? He actually said it like that. Like,
Yeah, he did say
yeah,
it
he
like
actually
that.
said it like that.
He was,
I'm
he
like,
was
"Ah,
looking
theek hai."
like Pallavi's like this some big criminal.
I
okay?
know. I mean, sometimes I do look like a big criminal,
Yeah.
but that day I was looking pretty okay.
Yeah. So you're saying walking and
Yeah,
Uber
so
and stuff. Yeah.
saving money for Uber, even though you're late, reaching uni late, it's fine.
Yeah.
Walk.
Yeah.
Like,
I had a friend of mine. So, like in London, there is peak hour and off peak hour, right? So, our college used to happen in peak hour because it was in the evening after 6. So, this guy used to travel in the off peak hour. That is 2 hours before
Oh
our
my
college,
God. Oh,
sit
that
in
is-
central London so that he could pay off peak hour charges. I was like, mad respect.
mad
bro.
respect, bro. Where I haven't done anything like that, but I've done one thing.
Okay.
So I used to live in Sheffield. Okay, from Sheffield, I had to travel for like 6 minutes to this place with train
Okay.
to reach for my part-time work. So sometimes they never used to check tickets, so I used to take the risk. Because to be
Oh.
cheap, the ticket was just 5 quid, but it used to be expensive. Like you'll
Yeah.
feel that, अरे यार क्या है
Yeah.
यार हर दिन 5
When you're
pound जा
earning
रहा
in
है."
peanuts, it's
Yeah. So I was like, ठीक है, what I'll do is like I'll take the risk. अगर
yeah.
रुकाएंगे,
हाँ.
so I'll tell, okay, can I buy a
Yeah.
ticket? Because I was getting late, so I came.
Yeah.
So most of the times, because they're too lazy and the train's
Hmm.
too big,
Hmm.
तो आते आते टाइम लग जाता है और तुम्हें एकदम एंड में जाके खड़े
हाँ.
होना रहता है, तुम्हें 5 मिनट में उतर जाना है,
हाँ.
so you never know. And then
Yeah.
these things, oh my god, these are
Hacks.
wrong things,
Hacks.
guys. You should never do that.
I didn't do it. Oh, it's a friend's story.
Oh yeah, not even my story. I've never ever done
Yeah.
it.
But you know what? Being broke alone versus being broke with your friends, it's a whole different experience.
Different
Like
story.
full group ही तुम्हारा गरीबी में है. Best thing, because then no one will suggest expensive activities, no one will like do faltu ka kharcha and everything. Because I remember like how you said about the Uber thing, me and my friends went out for a change, you know, like let's have some nice fancy dinner and everything, and we were like okay chalo, and then we were just roaming out, and we realized arey public transport is closed because it's beyond 12 o'clock. And we are like abhi kya kare. Then we checked our Uber, and all three of us were living in different places, so everyone had to pay 20 pounds each, 20-30 pounds each, and that was a lot because we were part-time
20 pounds.
working people, and we were like we can't do this. So we instead were like arey subah 6 baje in the morning, 6 o'clock the transport will open. No, it's only 6 hours away.
Oh my.
So let's just do one thing, let's just like go on a walk. So
What?
three
6
friends
hours walk?
three friends, we are like chalo London darshan karte hain raat ko. Like we were going around all spots of London, and we were just walking, like we walked like a whole circle. We saw Big Ben, we saw Buckingham Palace, we saw everything in the night without any tourists around us. It was beautiful. And we were sitting at London Eye, we watched the sunrise, people are jogging and coming in. We were like,
We are still sitting
dead
waiting
like
for
that.
public transport to
And
get
then we
open.
actually took our tube, which costed only like £2.
I mean, you guys did save, but what?
पैसा बचाने जाओ तो टाइम नहीं बच पाता है.
Yeah,
that's the problem.
that's the thing. What if you had like uni next day or whatever? Like, how would you manage? So yeah, where I used to live, from there, I wanted to go to this mandir. Okay, a mandir is like 45-50 minutes walk. So somehow we used to come to an agreement with my friend, because me and him used to go together to mandir. He'd be like, जाते हुए चल के जाएंगे
हाँ.
तो 2 pound बच जाएगा, आते हुए बस जाएंगे.
Yeah.
हाँ ठीक है. Deep down मेरे मन में भी हाँ ठीक है, कोई नहीं, 2 pound तो बच जाएगा.
This happened with us like recently. Me and my partner were going to our first Michelin dining
Don't tell me
experience.
you walked.
We didn't walk, but we are like, you know, worst case scenario, we'll take a like taxi back when we're coming back, but we'll go with the public transport. So हम लोग full sweat में ऐसे एकदम like tube से, train से, metro से जा रहे हैं लोगों के साथ अपना fancy कपड़ा और shoes पहन के, and then we're dining in a nice Michelin star
Oh my
restaurant.
god.
I was
That's
like,
funny.
yeah,
Cute
it's-
only.
the irony, right?
Yeah, I mean, see, you have stories to tell.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
It's fun. I
Have
like
you
it.
ever stolen anything?
My friends have. Uni ka first day, okay, orientation week. You get so
हाँ.
many goodies, blah blah
हाँ.
blah. So they have vouchers for food, right?
Mhm,
So my friend
mhm.
is a big foodie. So they gave him one voucher. They looked that side. He took 3-4 more. He kept it. Somebody may said bye and went once.
चलेगा.
That's still fine.
हाँ.
And also, people in your accommodation, they'll steal your food, bro. You won't know.
What?
They'll steal your food. Somebody पे you see you've kept this much food, okay? तुम्हारा एक onion गायब हो जाएगा in uni
Yeah.
accommodation. You would never know
Yeah.
because एक onion गया you won't realize, right?
Oh.
And then the food that you have made, you've kept rice, half rice will be gone. If you're living in accommodation for like 8 people.
Pooch lo bhai, like just
Nahin.
ask.
So yeah,
Oh,
these kind
God.
of things. You tell me.
I've actually heard those stories, but
Yeah, right?
yeah, I've been fortunate with good flatmates. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, they just ask me before
Oh, they
stealing.
ask you.
Yeah.
They are like, fuck you, we don't know to ask.
Yeah.
We'll just take.
No, I don't think I've intentionally stolen everything, but every time I go live in a hotel or any other place like that, I will always take all of those tea packets, all the milk powder, all the unused shampoo, conditioner, soap, whatever
Oh, you're so
amenities.
good. Look at me, them criminal stuff I told. And like, which I haven't done.
Yeah, but this is like peak chindi for me because it's there. And technically, you have paid for it, right? Like it is in
technically,
your service charge or whatever. So I will always make sure I pick up everything.
Is that why there is so much things in your bathroom? The hotel stuff.
But nothing major. But this is like, no matter
This
how
is
big
Chandigiri.
I will get, I will always do
No,
this.
that I think you
It's
should.
my Janma Siddha Adhikar.
I think you should do it.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I don't often go to hotels because I
Yeah.
can't afford it.
Yeah.
So I usually don't come across these
Situations.
situations.
But even when I go to restaurants, say even if one bite is left, no, I will take it in a takeaway container because
that
I've
is-
paid for it. It's expensive, and I know I'm going to get hungry later.
Sometimes people judge you on that, okay?
Yeah.
If there's very little left and you're like, can I please carry for a takeaway?
Yeah.
And they were like, they look at you like this. कितनी चिंदी है रे मन में इनके दिमाग में
Yeah.
यही चल चिंदी.
But this Jindi Cheapgiri is so like sustainable and so
It is sustainable.
eco-conscious if you rebrand it well, right? Like people now are there, they're like, oh, you can take it in our sustainable takeaway boxes and all. When we do it, it's cheap.
How they do it, it's sustainable.
Yeah.
It's affordable.
I don't mind it. What else?
Oh, I feel so bad. I've told you my friends' stories now, and then you told
You've
me.
exposed them.
Yeah,
This is not fair deal or what?
this is not fair deal. You told me chindi stuff, and you asked me chori stuff.
हाँ तो ये चोरी हुई ना मतलब
चोरी कहाँ है? वो तो चिंदीगिरी है. मेरा चोरी था.
चलता है यार.
Things, weird things that you have done.
Some saucy things or what? Cheap stuff. I know a lot of friends who are like, because they couldn't afford to like eat out or cook, or they just wanted to relax. Their go-to used to be going to like a langar and eating lunch.
Yes.
Because honestly, like respect to them that they provide such good food for free.
Yeah, man.
But these are like nicely privileged city boys, going to langar every day and eating lunch and not providing any service in return. So I knew a lot of people like that. But it's nice only, it's okay.
It's
But
cool.
अचानक से religious बन जाते हैं.
हाँ एकदम full अरे देवा देवा देवा. I have done one thing. Oh yeah, I've done one cheap thing. Okay, I'll
Okay.
tell you. So I wanted to buy this NBK shoe. Okay, and it was 110 quid that
Ah.
time. Very expensive, and it's been like 1 year since I bought this. So I went to this JD store, and then I saw one guy who used to work there. Okay, so I was just trying to lock my target, who I need to talk to, because I don't have any discounts.
Yeah.
But then he is an employee, so he will have
किसको
a discount.
पटाओ कर
किसको पटाओ कर सकती हूँ. So I went, just walked around him, and then I started speaking to him. Hey, hi, blah blah.
Yeah.
And then he used to work in the same, like, so where I used to work part time was like a big mall, you can say. So mall में बहुत सारे ऐसे shops होते हैं ना. So that shop was also there. So I used to work for food. So I went and I started talking to him. Hey, how long have you been working? I work
Yeah.
in like Popeyes, blah
Yeah.
blah. And then I told him, you should come sometimes. I'll just give you free
Yeah.
lunch or whatever. He's like, okay, that's fine. I'm like, but what will I get in return? See, I wanted to buy this shoe, okay, but it's really expensive, and I'm still a student. It's out
I'm
of my
so
budget.
interested where this story is going. But
Yeah.
go on.
Bro, you won't believe. He gave me his employee discount, and I got 30% off. So I got this shoe for 75 or something.
But what did you give him in return?
I gave him So basically, I used to go for the morning shifts.
Huh.
Okay, so I used to have the breakfast section under me.
So
So
you
whenever
gave
he
him
used
food.
to come, yeah, I used to give him free food.
Fair deal.
So I got this 30% discount.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I actually also wanted to buy really good shoes for £80, and I honestly didn't have the money back then. And then we got a few friends like from our flatmates, and they made a lot of nuisance. Like they were drinking, they were like screaming all the time. And before they left to go back to their home, they actually dropped £50 in everyone's rooms.
Cool people,
And I was like, okay, I can manage to like get 30
Come back
pounds.
next week, like
Yeah,
it.
and I was like so annoyed at them first, but when they gave me the money, I was like,
Ah, nice, like it. Give me.
that's all from
That's
us.
from us.
We're not that cheap, also.
Yeah.
I got this for you because I'm not cheap.
Okay, she's just trying to prove, guys.
Yeah,
Okay. I'll show you guys later what she got.
that's a suspense.
Hi.
Oh, Anya.
Oh, this is so cute.